Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Hermes Rocket on the bench here, right here. Hermes Rocket. And it is ready to go, except for the shift is out of balance. Shift motion is off. Let's adjust that on camera today. So I've already taken a peek in here, and it is easy as could be. The stops are right here and here, uppercase, lowercase. Pretty easy to tell which one is doing what it's supposed to be doing, or out of adjustment. The other one is on this side. So I've already kind of checked them right there. That made sure that they're both in balance. More like this one's touching at the same point as the other side. So you don't want one a little off from the other. They need to kind of be adjusted evenly. So next thing is getting to that nut. That's a little tricky. And this side is a little easier because, well, as it turns out, that's a 6mm right there. And even this wrench here, you know, is having a hard time getting in here, you know, the turn. But as it turns out, a 1/4-inch driver fits that, but a little bit loose. So that driver fits. And it's got to have a pretty small collar here. It fits on this side, and there's enough clearance here against the nut and the frame. But this side, there's not. You can't get the nut driver on there. It won't fit unless I force it, like there. I just got it, and I kind of shoved this over a little bit, and now I'm going to loosen that. So I got it loose. So I think that nut is a little bit loose. Let me get something to poke in here with and see if it's loose. I'm not sure if I loosen that or not. But what I want to do is make sure I keep that orientation of that screw, which is now, the slot's going straight up and down. Let me see if it sure feels like it loosened up. It is loose. So what I want to do is tighten that down so it raises the carriage and raises that H up a little bit. All I want to do is a fraction. In fact, I think I'm going to go half a 1/4 turn. That makes sense? Let me try it real quick here. Yeah, that might even be too much. Okay. Back it off here. So that slot was going straight up and down, 6 o'clock position. Now it's probably at 7:30 or something like that, 7 o'clock position. Now the key is to get this nut tight without affecting that screw adjustment. See, it moved. I think it moved just a little bit. Maybe not. I'm going to leave that there and go try the other side. And let's see how this works. So that screw on this side is at the 3 9 o'clock position, straight across. You loosen this up. I'm going to move this to 10 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Right there, just a fraction. And tighten it back up. Yep. So I moved it 1 hour on the clock. Let's see what happens here. Almost too, like I said, almost too much. But I might leave it. Ends are looking pretty good there. I think that's good enough for carriage lift models. They're a little sloppy, in my opinion, when it comes to a shift balance. They not as precise as a basket shift typewriter is. So I'm just going to go in here and tighten this side up. Make sure it's super tight. Super tight. Yeah, it is. Alright. That's pretty good. Pretty easy adjustment for the Hermes Rocket on the shift. Thanks, Typewriter. Good day.